Aloha Mr. Hands and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to blow a bubble in slime. So all you need is a straw and obviously some slime. Put the straw in slime and make sure that slime is covering up the straw a little bit, like that. So cover up the place where it's going to see. Next, blow in the straw. This may not work the first time, so make sure to give it a little bit of tries. So, yeah, that is how you blow a bubble. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. I'm posting this.